Hello again from Melissa from FocalPoint. This is our first podcast of 2017, and it's January, and that means finals. So if you have middle or high school students, it's time to be preparing for some finals, and my first big piece of advice is don't cram. That means a little bit of work tonight, a little bit of work tomorrow, a little bit of work the next day. Plan 20 minutes, plan a half an hour, plan short study sessions. What should you do in your study sessions? What you should do is self-quiz. The major mistake that students make when studying for big tests is they read a textbook like you might read a novel. You're not reading a story. What you need to do is go to the end section where it asks you questions about what happened in that section. Read the question, answer it, confirm that your answer was correct. Go back to the text, make sure you have the right answer. Read the vocabulary words. Make sure that your answer was correct on that. If you're doing math and you're studying for math, go through the chapter assessments at the end of the chapters that you have done in math so far this year. And if you want additional problems, go to an online source like Khan Academy and look for something similar. All of them have search features, so find something that's going to give you similar problems. Your best help for being prepared for finals is to have already been tested. That means if you put your vocabulary cards into Quizlet and you test yourself and you are at 95% with knowing the vocabulary and the information you put in there, you know you're at 95% for that test. If you go through Quizlet and you go through all of your answers and you're at 60%, you know you need more studying. See how that works? So if you are doing passive things, like just trying to read it, just trying to absorb it, you're wasting your time. Don't do that. Don't spend time reading books at this point. At this point, what we need to be doing is drilling down into, do I know it? Can I quiz myself? How many of them do I get correct out of 10? Take a break. Go do something else. Now, how many of them do I get correct out of 10? Remember, short pieces, starts and stops. And if you are a high school student who specifically wants help with writing projects or math, that's what we do a lot of here at FocalPoint. We'll help you improve your writing, get better scores with that, and we can also help you with high school math all the way through pre-calc. If it's getting difficult this year, what we do here is we make it make sense. So I'm going to talk to you about math problems like a normal person trying to help you figure out where this line crosses the up and down y-axis, trying to figure out how to make it make sense. I was going through some work with an accelerated algebra student this week, and I said, look, it doesn't matter what your shape is, you're going to move it left, right, or up, down in the same way. So this is a pattern. Let's recognize that no matter whether we are doing parabolas or circles or ellipses, we're going to move them in essentially the same way. Learn that, the rest of it becomes easy. That's the kind of thing we do here at FocalPoint. So if we can help you out with high school math or writing, give us a call, 662-9121. Otherwise, short pieces, and make sure to quiz yourself. Thanks.